Hi, this is Kristy at the Clark County Library, and today we're going to be making puffy paint with glue and shaving cream. You can also find more cool things to make. Painting with Everyday Objects is one of the books you can check out with your library card. And of course, you can always find us at lvccld.org 24/7. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is a very simple recipe. So we can see we have shaving cream, just regular Elmer's glue, and food coloring. You can pick all of this stuff up at the 99-cent store. You probably have some of this around your house. And basically what it is you're gonna take equal parts glue and equal parts shaving cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue into the cup. I don't know if I have exactly half a cup, so if we have to do a little bit less, that's okay. All right, we're almost there. All right, so we're going to dump that into our bowl to mix. Obviously, if you have a spoon or spatula, that'll probably work better than this jumbo craft stick I have, but we use what we have on hand, right? So, all right. Now I'll just add the shaving cream to the same amount. To shake that up. Or maybe not. There we go. Tap that down, make sure. All right. It's a little bit more, but I think it's because it's not all the way through the bottom. But I think that'll still work. So again, use my spatula to get that out of there. And we are going to mix it up. And this is going to make a puffy paint. It will dry, but the best part about appearance is that it will not stain anything. And I don't know about you, but I love nothing that stains in my house. So that sounds good. Okay, so I've mixed it up pretty well. And I'm gonna put a little bit into a different cup so that we can make a different color. So I'll put a little bit into this cup. And again, obviously you might wanna make more because I'm using this as demonstration purposes. If you have kids, like I have 3, you're gonna need more than just this little tiny amount if your kids want to paint. And my last one, because I have 3 colors of food coloring. Remember, you can get all sorts of different food coloring. I have liquid, but you can also use the gel stuff if you have that too. All right, so put that off to the side. And with the food coloring, you can do as many drops as you want to. It really depends on like how much, the coloring that you want. Do you want a really dark blue or red or pink or whatever? Obviously you can always add more. So I always say less is more because you can never take away the color, but you can always add more color to it. So I'm doing 2 drops in each of them, and then we'll mix them up, and then I'll show you what the paint looks like. And that's not as red as I would like it, but like I said, I'm only doing 2. Looks more bubblegum pink to me. Oh wait, was that my pink one? Nope, this is definitely my neon pink one. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And this last one is our blue color. It's gonna turn out more of a sky blue. Best part about this is also when it dries too, it's puffy, just like puffy paint. At least back in the 80s when we made a bunch of stuff with puffy paint. So here is my blue paint, my very neon bubblegum pink paint, and my not so red puffy paint. And then I have a very simple little paper here. Now you can use your hands or your fingers or a paintbrush, whatever you'd like to use. I actually have to work today, so I'm just going to use our little craft sticks that we have, and you can paint this however you want with the different colors. And let me see. Oh, I should have made hearts. That would have made perfect sense. And then I'll make something nice and puffy over here. But like I said, you can do this with your fingers, with a paintbrush or whatever, but then you can also see that it's already puffy and everything on the paper. And that's it. So that's a very simple project that you can do at home. I hope you had a great time, and we'll see you next time at the library.